Kids, today we will talk about number data type and manipulations of data in MS Excel included in MS Office 2021. Only 3 kinds of data can be entered into MS Excel sheet: numbers, text, and formulae. Data in the numbers category can be any kind of number. Examples of the number data type are whole numbers, decimals, dates, phone numbers, percentages, etc. The number data is right-aligned by default. Let us now learn the various number formats in Excel like currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, etc. Here are the steps for formatting numbers. First, select a cell or a cell range on which you want to apply number formatting. Now, on the Home tab, select the required format from the drop-down. If you want further variations to the selected format, click the dialog box launcher to see all formatting options. You can open dialog box launcher by these options as well, by pressing Ctrl+1 or by right-clicking the cell or cell range and selecting Format Cells. By default, all cells of Excel will have the general format applied. In the general format, numbers and text are displayed just the way you type them. The general number format uses exponential notation for large numbers, that is, 12 digits or more. Also, if the cell is not wide enough to show the entire number, the general format rounds the numbers with decimals. As we have seen, the general format uses exponential notation for numbers having more than 12 digits. To turn exponential notation back to a number, change the format from general to numbers. As you can see, 2 decimal places have been added to the number, but the value of the number has not changed. You can adjust the decimal places by clicking on these arrows here. Click it twice to remove the 2 decimal places. Please remember, when we change the format of a number, we can only change the visual representation of the said number in Excel. The value of the number remains the same. Microsoft Excel might show hashes in cells when a column isn't wide enough to show all of the cell contents. Adjust the cell size and now the number is displayed as we wanted. Excel can only store numbers with 15 digits of precision. If you enter a number that has 16 digits or more, Excel changes those extra digits to 0. The number format allows users 3 further variations to the final value: the decimal places, the 1000 separator, and the format of negative numbers. For example, the given number is hard to read. Let us add 1000 separators to it. Now it is displayed like this, which is much easier to read. Let us now change the number of decimal places and make it 0. This is how the number is displayed now. You can also adjust the decimal places by clicking on these arrows here. As you can see, when we increase or decrease the decimal places, the number is rounded off and not truncated. Let us now move to the other formats. Currency format is used for monetary values and displays the default currency symbol with numbers. The currency format lets you configure the following three options: the number of decimal places to display, the currency symbol to use, and the format to apply to negative numbers. Accounting format is also used for monetary values, but it aligns the currency symbols and decimal points of numbers in a column to make it easy to understand. Under the accounting format, 1000 separator and currency symbols are added by default, and negative numbers are enclosed in parentheses like this. Date and time format displays date and time values according to the type and location that you specify. For example, you can change the date format from MMDDYYYY to MMDDYY or to other formats like this. Similarly, you can change the time format from 12-hour to 24-hour. Date and time formats that begin with an asterisk respond to changes in regional date and time settings that are specified in Control Panel. Formats without an asterisk are not affected by Control Panel settings. Percentage format multiplies the cell value by 100 and displays the result with a percent symbol. A shortcut to convert a number into percentage is given here. Just click on this percent symbol. Fraction format displays a number as a fraction according to the type of fraction that you specify. For example, to convert these percentages into fractions, select the fraction format from the dialog launcher. Scientific format displays a number in exponential notation, replacing part of the number with e plus n, where e, which stands for exponent, multiplies the preceding number by 10 to the nth power. For example, a two-decimal scientific format displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1 as 1.23e to the power 10, which is 1.23 times 10 to the 10th power. If you want MS Excel to treat certain types of numbers as text, you can use the text format instead of a number format. For example, if you are using credit card numbers that contain 16 digits or more, you must use a text format. Please keep in mind that the Excel text format, when applied to numbers, prevents them from being used in Excel functions and calculations. Special format displays a number as a postal code, zip code, phone number. For example, in the USA, the phone number is 10 digits, but it is formatted differently. So let us convert these mobile numbers into USA phone number format and see the difference. As you can see, the area code is enclosed in parentheses, followed by hyphenated 3-digit exchange code with a 4-digit number. Custom format allows you to modify a copy of an existing number format code. Use this format to create a custom number format that is added to the list of number format codes. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.